We are going this direction. Wow. It is recorded here. Vending machines. Na-record ko siya.
Pero nalaman mo late na o hindi?
Hindi. Late ko na nalaman.
Grabe no?
Dumaan, bilis.
Hindi mo pansin? Parang nasa gitna mo na nakuha yung train?
Hindi, papunta na.
Okay.
So what can you say about the Shinkansen?
Grabe. Kiara just commented, what can you? Then dumaan na kagad yung ganun kabilis.
Yes.
Yung speed.
Yes.
I think 2 trains Kiara miss because of the speed, no? The speed of the train.
We are gonna board na.
We're in the Odawara train station. We're
Yeah.
going to Tokyo. The travel time is around 26 minutes.
Yeah.
So how many times have you taken the Shinkansen cars?
I don't remember. We took a lot nung other trip natin. Malapit na ba tayo?
Pause mo lang, pause.
Okay. We have 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes pa naman.
For 10 minutes.
How many times have you rode the Shinkansen?
Many times, siguro more than 20 times already.
Oh, and what can you say about the Shinkansen?
Shinkansen is kind of a train which is fast. It's a bullet train. It's a bullet train.
Pero hindi na siya ang fastest. Ano ang fastest ngayon?
I think the Chinese trains are faster.
Maglev na daw eh.
Huh?
Maglev.
They have next generation trains yung Japan, but experimental pa yung yung
Ang Chinese.
No, may Japanese na maglev faster than this one, but
Hindi pa nila na ano kasi.
they have test run na.
For safety ang kanilang ano
Mga safety
kasi.
reasons.
Math question naman, math question.
Ano?
If rail rode a Shinkansen at 280 kilometers per hour,
Yes.
and Hana rode the China train at 600 per hour.
What's the answer to that question?
The question is,
What time?
what time will you arrive?
How earlier will Hannah arrive?
What kind of gloves do you wear for the train ride?
Question is, who is younger? Who will arrive younger? Who will grow older?
Grabe, so hard.
The question is,
The question
3 minutes
what
na siya.
color are
Okay,
the
you
color
can
is your
pause.
eyes?